Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer compression ring. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new compression ring. The compression ring is located on the back of the timer dial and it helps hold the dial in place. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the compression ring, we have to take the knob and the dial off. In order to get the knob off, we have to get behind it with a small flathead screwdriver and release the clip. To release it, you want to push on this side, which is the thinner side. You'll notice this side's a little bit thicker, but you need to push on the thin side to push the clip out of the way so we can pull the knob off. Once you have the clip off, you can pull the knob off, and we're actually going to put the clip back onto the knob and then set the knob aside. You don't want to lose the clip, so we're just going to snap it back onto the knob. To get the dial off, we're going to get behind it with the small flathead screwdriver and pop it off. You want to be careful you don't scratch the paint. Once you have the dial off, the compression ring is located on the back. We can use the small screwdriver to pop it off. Once you have it off, you can set the dial aside. Here's the old compression ring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the compression ring on, we're going to use a snap ring pliers because it opens when you squeeze it. We're going to use it to expand the compression ring a little bit so we can get it started on the dial. You can do it with a needle nose pliers. You just have to be careful that you don't overstretch it. So once you have the compression ring on, we're going to open it up a little bit and get it started on the dial. Once you have it started, you can take the pliers off and then just work it down to the base by pressing down. Once you have it in place, we can put the dial back on the washer. To put the dial on, you have to make sure that you have this little square tab lined up with the little notch. If you don't, you won't be able to push the dial on all the way. So once you know where that is, you can line it up and push the dial all the way down onto the timer shaft. To put the timer knob back on, all you have to do is push it down so it locks into place. Once you have the timer knob back on, you can plug the machine back in, turn the water back on, and take a first spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.